Let's talk about the difference between traditional SQL pipelines and a modular setup like Dataform. Here in BigQuery, I'm showing you what most analytics workflows still look like in a lot of companies. One giant SQL query, hundreds of lines, tangled joins, inline filters, hard-coded logic, everything jammed together in a single file. This kind of code is what we call spaghetti. It looks messy, and it behaves messy. It might work once, but the second you need to update, debug, or explain it to someone new, you're in hell. Here's the modular version. Same pipeline, same logic, but now it's split into clean, purpose-driven components. We've got a model that handles user behavior. Another one handles clean order details. One builds the product dimension, and another segments users by age and gender. Finally, they all come together in a final reporting model, just like in the spaghetti query, but way more organized. Each file is focused, isolated, and reusable. If I need to change something about the product join, I go straight to product to sequels. If I want to test just the event filter logic, I run user behavior SQL by itself. It's also Git friendly. Every change happens in a small file. You can see exactly what was modified, and you can branch and merge like a proper software dev. This is the power of modular analytics development. You're not just writing SQL. You're building a system that scales, that's testable, and that other people can actually work on. You can't do that with spaghetti.